All right, so this is milestone 3 and 4. So you're in the home stretch. You filled out your outline at this point, and now you're just going to build your model. So you're going to pick either your covalent or your ionic molecule to build a model from. If you pick your covalent molecule, just build something that represents the Lewis structure, right? Um, it can be some sort of three-dimensional thing. It can be a drawing, uh, interpretive dance, you name it. Just be creative. Use the brainstorming session for milestone 3 to ask questions and get any kind of approval. You can ask me about what features really should be included. And then you have a fourth milestone sort of meeting. Uh, so your project is due on the 5th. So you have milestone 4 is kind of for the 4th. So that's that Monday. So project's due on Tuesday. So by Monday, you're just filling in the blanks, right? At that point, hopefully you've shared the outline with me. We've had some collaboration. It gives you some cushion if you're struggling to get something done. You don't have to spend a ton of time on your model, but as long as it represents things, that's great. I was hoping, you guys could show, you know, some creativity and have some fun with it. The previous project, I let students drop their lowest grade based on the best ones. Obviously, since you guys are turning this in, this represents 4 weeks worth of work. However, as a sort of incentive to work hard on your model, I will extend this opportunity for you. So you will be able to drop your lowest grade from the rest of the work on the quarter, right? So that's based on the top entries that get turned in. So that's your little bonus based on your model. All right. So at this point, everything's great again, and everybody's going to office hours, and I have way more than 10 people checking in, and everybody feels relaxed and not stressed, and you're back on track. So hopefully that's where things are. And, again, I was kind of harsh on you at the beginning of this project because I really want to see more of you. But I think at the end, hopefully, there's been more students engaged as well. All right. So work hard. Don't spend a ton of time on this. Turn it in early if you want. There will be an assignment to do starting on the 5th. It will be small, probably something on intermolecular forces. Now that you understand molecules, we can talk a little bit more about molecules coming together. And that's probably what we'll talk about that week. And then we'll spend the rest of the quarter talking about chemical reactions. All right, everybody. I hope at this point there's more people engaged in the class, and I hope this was a good way to catch up on work.